Good morning, community. My name is Jay Mackey, CEO of Community Health First ER. As you know, our nation is in a very peculiar place. We have people panic buying and stockpiling goods to being more diligent with better hygiene practices and social distancing. There are still many unknowns. Many of us believe that there's misinformation being disseminated from what we believe were credible sources. With the recent news of restaurants, gyms, and many businesses closing, it has created much anxiety for those who depend upon receiving a weekly or bi-weekly check. I understand that there's rhetoric of a government plan in place to help our citizens and businesses supplement their income. We just don't know when that will be. With the uncertainty looming, we here at Community Health First ER have decided to begin an initiative of our own called Serve the Servers. In an effort to help minimize the potential financial hardship related to the closure of many businesses in Harris County and the local communities, we have created a GoFundMe for individuals who rely on a weekly or bi-weekly check to make ends meet. Community Health First ER pledges $10,000 to spark the initiative to reach our goal of $100,000. We believe with your help we can meet or exceed our objective. Thank you for opening your hearts and being generous with your giving. We here at Community First ER appreciate your time and consideration during this time of need. Please help us in our efforts by sharing our GoFundMe page and use the hashtag ServeTheServers across all social media platforms to help us raise awareness. Thank you and God bless.